Throughout history, humans have pushed the limits of what is possible with the tools and resources they have been given. The result of this undying curiosity and determination is construction projects of the grandest scale. So in this video, we're going to show you the biggest mega project world records. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. New York's airport upgrade, 2023 will see construction begin on a $9.5 billion mega terminal at New York City's John F. Kennedy International Airport, JFK. The 223,000 square meter structures will replace the existing terminals 1, 2, and 3, feature 23 gates, and be built across multiple phases. It'll be the largest terminal at JFK and rank among the top-rated airport terminals in the world, according to the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey. The first phase, set to open in 2026, will include new arrivals and departures hall and a new gate. It's hoped that the rest of the terminal will be completed by 2030. At the height of the pandemic, when JFK Airport was seeing an unthinkable 2% of its pre-COVID passenger volumes, never lost sight of finding a path forward for this world-class terminal that aspires to be one of the best on the globe, added the Port Authority's Executive Director Rick Cotton. Construction was originally due to begin in 2020, but the extreme impact of COVID-19 on air travel meant that the terms of the original agreement had to be restructured. That included extending the lease to 2060 to allow partners more time to recover their investments after the terminal opens. The upgrade to JFK is just one of several major infrastructure projects taking place in New York at the moment. The city is planning Phase 2 of the 2nd Avenue subway, while the much-needed upgrade to a centuries-old tunnel, dubbed one of the most important infrastructure projects in America, looks set to happen once funding has been secured. The new building is due to offer world-class retail, restaurants, and bars inspired by the Big Apple. There will also be larger check-in facilities, security, and concessions areas to accommodate more passengers. The Port Authority has also promised a touchless passenger journey, which includes digital passenger flow and queue management, TSA security lanes with the latest technology, advanced video search analytics, biometric-based systems, and a flexible design that's able to accommodate future technologies or government mandates. As recover from this pandemic, want to ensure that everyone traveling to New York has a welcoming and streamlined experience, and that New Yorkers have the modernized transportation hubs they deserve, said New York Governor Kathy Hochul in a press release. The time to get large infrastructure projects done is now, and committed to getting JFK's brand new Terminal 1 underway and completed as soon as possible. Guangzhou Evergrande Football Stadium. The Guangzhou Evergrande Football Stadium is a football stadium under construction in Guangzhou, China, as the future home venue of the Chinese professional club Guangzhou FC. The construction of the $1.7 billion stadium began on 16 April 2020. The design of the lotus-shaped stadium was that of Shanghai-based American architect Hassan Syed. The stadium has a seating capacity of 100,000 people and a planned opening set for 2023. In September 2021, the Evergrande Group said that the construction of the stadium would still proceed despite the company's liquidity crisis. In November 2021, the stadium was seized by the Chinese government with plans to sell the incomplete stadium to another company or transfer ownership to the state-owned Guangzhou City Construction Investment Group. At that time, construction of the stadium was reportedly halted for at least 3 months already, contradicting Evergrande's earlier statement. The Evergrande Group has started work on what will be the world's largest purpose-built football stadium. Construction of the Guangzhou Evergrande Soccer Stadium, also called the Lotus Flower Stadium, the Chinese real estate group was quoted as saying by Reuters. It will be home to Chinese Super League side Guangzhou Evergrande and will surpass Barcelona's Camp Nou as the largest purpose-built football venue by capacity. North Korea's multi-purpose Runggrad of 1st of May Stadium would remain the largest sports stadium in the world with around 114,000 seats. Camp Nou has a capacity of just over 99,000. The stadium will also include entertainment, commercial, and dining areas and is likely to be completed by early 2023. The company said it was building the venue as China did not have enough professional purpose-built football stadiums, and that it hoped the facility would help boost Chinese football. Evergrande said it also planned to build 2 more stadiums of around 80,000 capacities each in China, adding that designs for those facilities were currently under review. The project is developed by China Evergrande Group, an investment holding company that engages in the development, investment, and management of real estate properties. This design highlights Guangzhou's reputation as the city of flowers. The form of the stadium can also be read as a diamond, honoring the Panyu district's meaning in the global jewelry industry. The reason being company behind the stadium's development is Evergrande, the debt-ridden Chinese real estate company. Evergrande is swaying on the verge of collapse with over $305 billion in liabilities, more than any other company in the world. In an interview with Reuters, Evergrande said the stadium is still proceeding as normal and in an orderly manner. However, the South China Morning Post met only a lower number of workers walking around the half-built football stadium when it toured the area on September 26. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Jeddah Economic City. The infrastructure work is moving at a steady pace on the Jeddah Economic City, one of Saudi Arabia's flagship megaprojects, which will also boast the world's tallest tower, with nearly 90% road construction and landscaping work completed, said a report. The city will consist of 210 towers that will be over 30 floors high, the centerpiece being Jeddah Tower, which will be around 1 kilometer tall and will take over from Dubai's Burj Khalifa as the world's tallest building, reported Arab News, citing a senior official. The main goal of the 5.3 million scam project is to create a habitable, economically beneficial, and environmentally friendly space, remarked Fadi Nassim, executive head of urban planning for Jeddah Economic City. 90% of the work on road construction and landscaping in the city is done, he told delegates. The landscaping is being done in such a way that it ensures plenty of green space and room for pedestrians with less emphasis on cars and traffic, explained Nassim. Once completed, the project will consist of 3 sectors: a financial district, a residential district, and Al Balad, which will be a contemporary recreation of the old quarter of Jeddah, he added. Padma Bridge. The Padma multipurpose, commonly known as the Padma Bridge, is a 2-level road rail bridge across the Padma River, the main distributary of the Ganges in Bangladesh. It connects the Luvajang Upazila of Munshiganj and Zazira Upazila of Shariatpur and a small part of Shivchar Upazila of Madaripur, linking the less developed southwest of the country to the northern and eastern regions. The bridge was inaugurated on 25 June 2022 by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. The bridge is considered to be the most challenging construction project in the history of Bangladesh. The steel truss bridge carries a 4-lane highway on the upper level and a single-track railway on the lower level. The bridge consists of 41 sections, each 150.12 meters long and 22 meters wide, with a total length of 6.15 kilometers. The construction of the bridge was considered to be especially challenging as the Padma River is among the most ferocious rivers in the world. The detailed design of the Padma multipurpose bridge is being delivered by a team of international and national consultants headed by ECOMM. The team comprises ACOMM, KSMEC International, Northwest Hydraulic Consultants, and ACE Consultants with additional assistance from AS Jacobson and HR Wallingford. All work is carried out by the design team within the framework of ACOMM's Quality Management System, QMS, which is independently accredited to AS/NZS ISO 9001. The QMS is designed to control all project work undertaken by the team. A project-specific design management plan was established at the outset of the project. In March 2009, the government of Bangladesh requested ACCOM to accelerate the design to complete construction by the end of 2013. This necessitated the mobilization of additional personnel within the design team. Bangladesh Bridge Authority, BBA, established an internationally recognized panel of experts comprising 5 national and 5 international experts to review the design at regular intervals. In addition, an independent checking engineer, Flint and Neal, was engaged to review the design criteria, specifications, and drawings produced by the design team to ensure the design meets the project requirements and to undertake an independent check of the detailed design of the main bridge and river training works. In May 2021, more than 95% of the construction, all the main steel frame spans were set on the piers, with the 6.15-kilometer-long 2-tier Padma multipurpose bridge had been completed. The China Major Bridge Engineering Corporation, MBEC, which was appointed for the main bridge, is carrying out the work. The bridge has a total of 42 pillars, each has 6 piles beneath. Steel spans were placed on the pillars. The bridge has a total of 41 spans. Work on the Padma multipurpose bridge is broadly divided into 5 parts: the main bridge, river training, 2 link roads and infrastructure, service area, construction. China's Sino Hydro Corporation was appointed for the river training works, while Bangladesh's Abdul Monem Limited was given the contract for the 2 link roads and infrastructure construction. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.